Hello there, welcome to our channel. So up till now we have seen some official announcement like Exynos 2200 along with teasers and a bunch of Galaxy S22 related leaks. The latest among them is the pricing, which we are going to talk about in this video. Now there is a lot of competition from Apple and Google in the $600 to $700 price range, so it will be interesting to see what Samsung has to offer in terms of pricing. Currently we have the European market pricing, so sit tight and I'll be back right after this. So it seems Samsung has carried over its pricing from the previous S21 lineup, except for the Ultra model, which because of obvious reasons will be a bit costly. The base model of Galaxy S22 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage will be priced at €849. And for 256GB model it will be €899. For S22 Plus model with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, it will end up costing €1,049, while for 256GB model, it will be priced at €1,099. And finally, coming to the Ultra flagship model that you all have been waiting for, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The 8GB RAM along with 128GB of storage will cost €1,249. Last year, the S21 Ultra was launched with 12GB and at a similar price point, so you might think you are losing out on 4GB of RAM. But that's not the case. This time, the Ultra model is actually a Note model, so you'll be getting all the bells and whistles of a Note device, be it with a slightly lower RAM. The 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage will be priced at €1,349, and the top-end model with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage will cost €1,449. Now we think these prices are incomplete since we did not hear anything about 16GB model or 1TB storage variant that were rumored earlier. So what are your thoughts on the European pricing of this S22 series? There are also leaked US pricing, which shows $100 increase across the board. So with that we conclude our short video. Thank you for watching, be sure to subscribe, and as always, catch you in the next one.